My administration has also taken the most aggressive action in modern history to protect Americans from the coronavirus.
We have it totally under control. It's one person coming in from China, and we have it under control. It's going to be just fine.
A lot of people think that goes away in April with the heat, as the heat comes in.
You may ask about the coronavirus, which is very well under control in our country.
If you're healthy, you will probably go through a process and you'll be fine.
So if, we have thousands or hundreds of thousands of people that get better just by, sitting around and even going to work, some of them go to work, but they get better.
It is being contained. And do you not think it's being contained?
As a nation, we can't be doing the kinds of things we were doing a few months ago.
Because a lot of people will have this, and it's very mild. They'll get better very rapidly. They don't even see a doctor. They don't even call a doctor. You never hear about those people.
We know there will be thousands more cases of coronavirus.
Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic.
There's been some irresponsible rhetoric, but the American people should know that President Trump has no higher priority than the health and safety and well-being of the people of this country.
We will see more cases, and things will get worse than they are right now.
It will go away. Just stay calm. It will go away. Anybody that needs a test can have a test. They're all set.
We trust in a matter of weeks the coronavirus test will be broadly available to the public.
Frankly, the testing has been going very smooth. If you go to the right agency, if you go to the right area, you get the test.
These are workers, these are people who contacted CDC, and it's CDC that they say turned them down and said that they couldn't be tested.
The system is not really geared to what we need right now, what you are asking for. That is a failing.
And failing, yes.
It is a failing. I mean, let's admit it.
Anybody that needs a test, that's the important thing. And the tests are all perfect.
In the days and weeks ahead, we're going to continue to see the availability of tests dramatically rise, and we're driving toward that every day.
You take a solid flu vaccine, you don't think that would have an impact or much of an impact on corona?
No. You have to always, I do it a lot anyway, as you probably heard. Wash your hands, stay clean. You don't have to necessarily grab every handrail unless you have to.
This is much more lethal than the seasonal flu, correct?
It is, Savannah.
You do certain things that you do when you have the flu. I mean, view this the same as the flu. When somebody sneezes, I try and bail out as much as possible with the sneezing. I really think, Doctor, you want to treat this like you treat the flu, right? And, it's going to be fine.
It is 10 times more lethal than the seasonal flu. I think that's something that people can get their arms around and understand.